Hey everyone, look what I just received from Team Associated. This is, we'll just unbox it right now. Okay, all sealed. Let's open this guy. This is supposed to be the 40th anniversary. RC10 number 6007, if I remember correctly. And we're gonna unbox it and see how is everything. I reserved this the day it was announced, so there it is. All right, private information, we don't need that. There's the box. Look at that, very cool. 40th anniversary. The box is a little damaged. What kit is this? I think it was 6007. Okay, everything is the same as the RC10 6001 Classic, but it comes with the laser etched, I believe, on the chassis, and I think everything else is the same. This was $379 plus tax, and let's open it up. Okay. I think there's 3 sealed stickers. Associated should pack these, like put some cushion here and avoid some damages onto the box. These are collector's items, Associated. Come on. All right, let's go see what's in there. Cool. And this is supposed to be a display case. It acts as a display case. Let's see. It's very similar to the RC10 Classic Clear. Instead, everything is dyeable white nylon right now. Here's the wheel package. Okay, this is the front and rear wheel. Gear cover. Pretty hard compared to the old vintage ones. Okay. This is here we go again, the gold shocks, the original gold shocks. Pretty cool. 30 weight oil. All the shock shafts, everything is here. Collars, springs. Very neat. Next, rear suspension arms and drive shafts. Looks like these parts are more whiter than the original versus like the vanilla type. Okay. This is the 6-gear transmission along with the spur gear, motor plate, gold. All these oil light bushings, bronze gold bushings. This looks like the front suspension bag. Shock towers. And here are those mismatched colors of the C-hub carriers. And you can see the difference. This is white and this has more of a greenish tint. So you can see the difference there. I don't know what's their problem, but they can't ever get that right. It's just not the same. Look at the difference. Okay. Front nose plate and body posts. Cool. Very nice. That's actually better than the 6001, I believe. It looks more original. Okay. This is just the driver doll. Looks the same. Battery cup and nose tube. Antenna. These are pretty cool. Looks like the any other one. Okay. Rear bulkhead and shock tower. Huh. This is pre-assembled. The wing tubes are pre-assembled onto the bulkhead. That's pretty. I don't think that was on the other re-releases. Okay, here's just the body. Nice that they actually put a bag over it to prevent any damages. Cool. The wing, same. And we are just waiting for the main chassis, but here is the, what do you call these? Ball cups, white ball cups, and threaded shafts, linkages. Cool. All white. And here's a servo saver bag. Very interesting. All right, now for the final part. No, well, let's go with this. Final part, here it is. This is what you want. This is the main gold top chassis, where it has the limited edition team associated. I don't know what is this. It looks like it's just printed. It's not laser. I don't feel anything. And then here's a little stamp with the 40-year anniversary limited edition. Okay. And here's the other one. Here's the 40. This is very important. 40th. Everything. The gold seems a little more golder than any other. And it's more glossy and shining. Very lightweight. Looks like it's really metal. It looks, I don't know if it's thinner than, I can't tell. I don't have an original one to compare it to. It looks a little thin. I could be wrong. But yeah, that's it. And the stickers. Sticker bag. There's no instruction manual, as you can see. It's a downloading PDF, I think, through the website. This is an entire sticker bag. Has a little card. That's pretty cool. That's it. Empty box for you to display it. And I'm gonna try to build this and have this on display. Hope you guys get yours, everybody. This is a great collector's piece. I've had an RC10 when I was a kid. Never bought a brand new one until the re-release came out. Because when we were young, we have no money to buy something like that. I think these were $150 back then. And what, 40 years later, these are more than double the price. I mean, these were, with tax and everything, it goes over 400. All right, guys. Until the next one, I'll see you next time. Happy racing.